It is Fishcraft here, back here with another video, and in this video we are unboxing the Mystery Tackle Box Pro of April Bass Box. Let's get right into this. Let's open up the box. There we go. Alright. Okay. This is our What's Inside card. First up, we got the Smithwick Elite 8 Rogue. Let's open this up. It's a nice bait there. Kind of like a jerk bait, I guess. Nice color on it. It's got some sparkles there. Awesome. It's in golden shiner. It's a nice jerk bait type bait. Awesome. Got 3 hooks. Pretty sweet. We got the Lunker Hunt Impact Series Jolt. Looks like a gold pattern here. There we go. It's floating. 1/3 ounce, and it dives down to 2.5 feet. Let's get this bait out. Oh, it's tinier than I kind of thought, but nice square bill crankbait. Kind of like a golden shiner color. It's in mandarin color. Nice crankbait. Got some rattles too. Alright, let's get this out of the way. Next up, we got a lipless crankbait. This is the Carl's Amazing Baits Thwacker. Looks like just a rattle trap. That retails for $6.99. Let's get this open. This is a 1/2 ounce. Just a nice, standard rattle trap. Good color on it. Looks shad color. It's in blue-black flash. Got rattles on it. Nice bait. Alrighty. Next up, we have the Cabin Creek Baits Salty Lizard. Retails for $4.99. Let's get these out. This one looks really good if it was on a drop shot. Nice, slim, tiny profile. It's kind of like a pepper color. Alright, next up we have the KVD Strike King Ocho. This retails for $4.99. It's green pumpkin candy. It's a 10-pack. Get one of these out. Just a nice Senko worm. Definitely use that for some ponds. And these fish still won't spawn for about another month here in Illinois, but it was 70 degrees today. Very, very warm out. Now we have the, this is a jig. This is the diesel jig, football jig. Where is it on the thing? They're hard hat jigs, diesel jig. Reaches for $3.99. 3/8 of an ounce. Just nice football head jig. Texas crawl color. Nice jig right there. Next up, we got the Smart Baits Disco Worm. Retails for $3.99. Color changing bait. Pretty sure the color changes depending on what water temperature you're in, or something like that. And you would take this off, and then it would kind of be like a curly tail. Definitely Texas rig that. Maybe even putting it on a shaky head. Nice bait there. It doesn't say what color it goes to. I don't think it does. But yep, that retails for $3.99. Nice bait there. And then you got your, of course, your double digest. Comes with every month's box. And you can't forget your sticker. That's kind of cool. Kind of a guy in a boat. Catch go on it. Sweet. Alright guys, that was this month's unboxing for the Mystery Tackle Box Pro. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.